Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is the last day of the May 2025, the end of the trading week, the end of the trading month, and we are looking at the altcoin of the week for the Zondacrypto. This is Litecoin. Litecoin is quoted to USDC on daily time frame chart. So what do we have here? Very interesting things just happened. Let me just find out first the retracement. Why we want to get to know how much did we retrace, right, to the upside of this last swing to the downside. So let me just move this this situation here. This is the low, I mean this low, and that's the high. Okay, that's not a problem, and we can see exactly that we retrace something like 50 or even more than 50% of this whole swing to the downside, right? So we went up 50% and a little bit more. So let me just place this technical resistance level 106.99, so 107. So that's the technical resistance. This is the technical resistance that we need to violate in order to move towards the 61% Fibonacci retracement, which is located at 110.71. For now, however, as you can see, the market is moving lower. So let me just make this kind of a trend line here. So we got the blue trend line, and this blue trend line is telling us that the market is trending below the trend line, is trading down. The consecutive lower highs are being made, the consecutive lower lows are being made. However, today it looks like the market wants to move a little bit higher. So the major trend on the Litecoin is still to the downside, and this might be viewed as some sort of the internal correction to the upside during the downtrend. All right, so we traced 50%, almost 61, but it looks like the market wants to continue the downside movement. Any breakout below this level here, particularly the level of 81. Let me just get rid of this Fibonacci. We already know what we want to know about this situation here. So any breakout below first 90.70, which is the technical support, then any breakout below 81.29 is basically bearish, because the major swing low, the extreme swing low, is still located here at 63.94. So the lower we go, the worse the outlook will be for the bulls. On the other hand, the major swing high is located here and here, roughly around 140. So that's the situation on the Litecoin from the technical point of view. Nevertheless, if we assume a little bit more optimistic situation here, that, for example, let me just clone this trend line. If we assume that we are making some sort of the bullish flag pattern, then of course now that's the completely different perspective, that's the completely different scenario, because if we agree that this is some sort of the pole, where's my trend line? Yes, there you go. This is some kind of a pole of the bullish flag pattern, for example, like this. Then obviously the breakout should be made to the upside. So let me just take my arrow so I can show you guys where the breakout should be. The arrow is this, so the breakout should be somewhere here. But of course the thing that we need, the movement that we need, the scenario that we need to develop is to break out above this level here, 107 point, I guess 33, something like this, right? So we need a breakout to the upside, and then the flag pattern might be continued, and the projected level from the projected target, if we break out of the flag pattern, is 140 exactly. So that's a kind of an interesting thing here that is about to develop on the Litecoin market. I will leave you with this altcoin of the week analysis. Potential is really nice for the breakout of the Litecoin to the USDC on Zondacrypto. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.